Car Sentinel monitoring OBD power cable installation and wiring tutorial. For example, the vehicle's OBD port in this video is where the arrow points. Insert the OBD power cable into this OBD port. Tuck excess OBD power cable into the vehicle's weather stripping for concealed routing. Remove the electrostatic adhesive patch from the packaging box. Tear off and discard E. Select the desired location and attach the electrostatic adhesive sticker to that location. Tear off and discard R. Gently smooth out the static cling sticker with your hand. This is a snap-on accessory with some Armstrong adhesive. Snap the accessory onto the device from right to left. Peel off the protective film from the SRAM adhesive tape and manually adjust the device to the optimal viewing angle. Power on the device. Choose a suitable location, then mount it to the static cling sticker to complete the installation. Car Sentinel monitoring allows you to remotely view the interior and front of your vehicle at any time, even when the vehicle is turned off and parked. When the vehicle is parked, it functions as a Sentinel monitoring camera. When the vehicle is in motion, it functions as a dash cam, comprehensive protection for your vehicle's safety.